Trying to straighten the porter cabin out because I can't open the door properly. How's that? Right, that's what I've got to do then. That's spot on. Okay, I need to get something up here then, don't I? Come on. Oh. Are we there now? Can we get three? Can we get a third one? Yes. Yeah, there's wood all round. Alright, that'll do. Let's see how far it moves. Let's see if it still works. Yeah. Could just put a tiny piece in there. Hang on. No, that's it. There we go. Ha! Proper job. Right. Let's just put a piece of card in there then. No, that's too high. Right, see if I can just put a sliver in there now. What? Hang on. Right, should be dead right. Oh man. Still wants a tiny bit up, I think. Just one little thing up. Just a half of a zero almost, just over. Okay, we can push that up a little bit then, can't we? Yeah, we can push that up a little bit. And I think that'll do. And now the door opens. You may laugh at that little bit, but I don't really think you'll get rid of that. It was a job to shut, but now it's popping.